Yo YouTube, Eric here with some updates. Obviously, it's been a while since we posted a video, and that's because we've been extremely busy here at Call Siab. Last week, we got the opportunity to go to Stanford, where Hmong Student Union hosted their Hmong X event, and that was great. I actually got the opportunity to perform, and I obviously did a good job. But again, a huge shout out to you, Hmong Student Union of Stanford. Thank you so much for the opportunity to perform, and hopefully, you guys will invite me back again one day. Fingers crossed. If you guys are interested in learning more about what Hmong Student Union of Stanford is up to, why not follow this link? Somewhere around here. And now, for the exciting upcoming news that we're bringing to you! This coming weekend, April 25th, Call Siab is coming to you, Sacramento. We will be performing at the Hmong University Student Association's Culture Night at Sac State. That was a mouthful. It'll be the first time that Call Siab will be performing in Northern California. So, come check us out, because you don't want to miss it, brother. If you're in the Sacramento area or you're just interested to learn more information, follow this link to HUSA's Culture Night event page on Facebook. There, they'll keep you updated with everything that's going down this weekend. And hopefully, you'll come out and join us. Oh hey, you're still here? Well, if you're still here, why not comment, subscribe, or even better, invite us to your hometown to perform on stage. Call Siab's going live, people, and we want you in the audience. But until then, yo, hashtag EVU out. This is the end card. The end card. We're gonna stimulate you to try to click on other videos so you can see everything that we do. Yeah, every boo, do the thing you do. Yeah, every boo, do the thing you do. Yeah, every boo, do the things you do. Yeah, every boo. Going on the elevator, going on the elevator, going on the elevator, going on the